Hello, today I'd like to introduce you our new improved Vibe AI software for sound testing. So we implemented now here several additional functions so that from now on we call this version NoiseQS. So we have here the possibility to enable automatic trigger modi with the possibility to define here the pre-trigger time. And here we have the possibility to use the trigger threshold, for example in this case of 70% of the full scale range. For the data acquisition we use here the plug-in duck light and our IEPE microphone, for example ME19 or RG50. So, but ME19 is sufficient enough. So now, as first, we make a reference recording with a recording time of 5 seconds. So I will hit here the structure several times to record the reference file. So this is now done. Now so what I did is following. So because we have here the threshold level of 70% means now during production or whatever I can speak here, and as long the noise event is not above the 70%, the measurement will be not triggered. So before I adjusted here 20 parts which has to be tested, but it can be 200 or 2000 or how many products or items you can produce per day. So now I will continue with the measurement. And here, if there's a bad part, so that then we can make an acoustical signal to the speaker output of the PC, so that this signal can be used for executing another actions. So now I will continue with the measurement. And now I will hit a bad part. So I can change now also the position. So if the surface ground is not 100% good, so then this may generate wrong detections, but we can test here. So after the test of all 20 new items, we can see which item is good and which items are bad. So of course we can store the list and improve our test system or the production facility. So beside the measurement microphone, we can use also accelerometers, so that we can put the accelerometer somewhere onto the structure and connect it again here with this DAQ. And then, of course, before we have to execute here the reference recording for good part, and then we can start with our tests. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you a pleasant time.